Shandong Yopin Hub, shared globally. Shandong, the backbone of China manufacturing industry. It is the only province in China with 41 complete industrial categories. Among 207 industrial categories, Shandong occupies 197 seats among 666 industrial subcategories. Shandong Province covers 526 items. The completeness of industrial categories surpasses that of Germany and Japan. Has great potential to provide a full range of supply chain solutions for the global market. Shandong has always maintained an open and inclusive attitude, actively participate in global cooperation. However, with accelerated adjustment for the international supply chain order, the wave of digital economy accelerates the reconstruction of foreign trade forms. Many enterprises still face chain bottlenecks and a single marketing channel. Challenges such as difficulty in finding overseas business opportunities and barriers to international cooperation. To solve these difficult problems, Shandong Foreign Trade Yopin Hub has emerged. This is a bridge connecting Shandong with the world, a comprehensive platform that gathers high-quality enterprises and products from 8 key industries, from mechanical equipment to automotive parts, from textiles and clothing to hardware and building materials, from agriculture and food products to chemical and pharmaceutical industries, from light industrial products to new energy. Shandong Foreign Trade Yopin Hub, with its powerful database and intelligent technology, provide product display and global business opportunity push for inbound enterprises. One-stop shop services such as data analysis and online transactions. Direct high-quality products from Shandong to overseas buyers. Enable global partners to directly link high-quality products from the source. Assist Shandong manufacturing in going global. Meanwhile, relying on Shandong's global network of overseas warehouse and channels, provide logistics distribution and warehousing management for enterprises. Comprehensive support including financial empowerment and localized services. Integrate international key exhibitions, supply chain partners, online and offline marketing platforms. Assist enterprises in diversifying and expanding to international markets, creating an international business card for Shandong manufacturing. Every enterprise that joins the Shandong Foreign Trade Yopin Hub, we will outstand at a new starting point of accelerating our overseas journey, entering a new path of embracing the global market, tailored full chain overseas plan, realize leapfrog development. This is precisely the core value and service tenet of Yopin Hub. Adhere to development philosophy of openness, innovation, and cooperation. Shandong Foreign Trade Yopin Hub is actively integrated into high-quality The Belt and Road Initiative, dedicated to building a high-energy platform for international supply chain cooperation. Assist Shandong's advantageous industries in the global chain building process, realizing the grand vision of 10,000 enterprises going global. Shandong trading globally and jointly building prosperity. Shandong Yopin Hub shares globally. This is the confidence of Shandong manufacturing. It is also the purpose of Shandong trading global. In the future, Shandong Foreign Trade Yopin Hub will join hands with more enterprises, write a new chapter in Shandong's foreign trade on the international stage, to build a global supply chain community and export Shandong's answers.